You have, with the Andrew Holness-led administration, the finest government that this country has seen in many, many decades, if not in the history of Jamaica. I want you to give Andrew Holness a big round of applause. When you compare Andrew Holness's administration to a PNP that has no plans, no policies, and no performance, the choice is very clear. But it is incumbent on the party to make sure that we give the leader and the Prime Minister the opportunity to call the election whenever he feels the time is right. We all know that election is due in a matter of a month, few months, and we need to stop the talking and start to do the working.